Today we are going to make this beautiful personalized greeting card. I welcome you all to my Crafters channel, Crafters Cafe Him. For all those who are new, my name is Himali. And I'm glad you all decided to join me in this amazing crafting journey. Do consider subscribing and click the bell icon. Let us start. Just take any printed paper which you have, or if you have any theme paper, that would be good. Cut it into 5 by 7 inches and de-stress it. These are de-stress inks from a Ranger. I've used the black color. And stick it on the front panel of your card. I had this doily, fold it into half, and I pasted one half side on the paper. Let the other half remain as it is. It will just add on a layer. Now I'm going to stick my focal point, that is my main part of the card, on this. Make sure that it is in the center. When you stick this, you're basically adding a layer to it instead of just sticking it plain on the base. And the doily, now you can see why I asked you all to leave it just like that. Paste your sentiment, you can write it, you can print it out. Again by two-way tape. Fussy cut out some designs, de-stress it, and add a two-way tape behind it. Just give another layer and adhere it on the top. That's it. Just add few glue dots, and I just added these pearls. Of course, that is totally optional. That's it. You can make any theme card like this, add an envelope, and your card is ready to gift. Thank you very much. Hope you liked it. See you around.